times 22.4 liters over 1 mole equals 11.2 liters. Find the mass in grams of 1.00 times 10 to the 24 molecules of N2. 1.00 times 10 to the 23rd molecules. Now times that in brackets, 1 mole over 6.02 times 23rd molecules, and now times that again in brackets by 28.02 grams over 1 mole gets you 4.65 grams. Find the mass in grams of 1 copper atom. 1 atom, and in brackets, times 1 mole over 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms, in brackets, times 63.54 grams, 1 mole. And then calculate that. 6. Determine a number of oxygen atoms in 15.2 grams of carbon dioxide. 15.2 grams, brackets, times 1 mole of CO2 over 44.01 grams, times 2 mole of C over 1 mole of CO2, times 6.02 to the 2 to the power of 23 atoms over 1 mole of oxygen. And if you do the math, you get 4.16 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of oxygen. So, question number 7. Aspartame is an artificial sweetener that is 160 times sweeter than turquoise when dissolved in water. It is marketed by GD. The molecular formula of aspartame is C14H18N2O5. So calculate the molar mass of aspartame. That is 294 and decimal 303 grams per mole. Question B. How many moles are in 10.0 grams of aspartame? 10.0 G times 1 mole over 294.303 grams equals 0.0340 moles. Question C. How many molecules are in 5 milligrams of aspartame? 5 milligrams times 1 gram over 1,000 milligrams times 1 mole over 294.303 times 6.02 times 10 to the 22 over 1 mole, and you get 1 times 10 to the 18 molecules. How many moles of nitrogen are in 1.2 grams of aspartame? 1.2 grams, 1 mole of aspartame over 294.303 times, in brackets, 2 mole of nitrogen over 1 mole of aspartame. And then calculate that, and you get 0.0082 moles of nitrogen. How many atoms of nitrogen is this? So you take the 0.0082 mole, and then you times 1 mole, and then you times 6.02 times 10 to the 21st atoms over 1 mole, which gets you 4.4 times 10 to the 21st atoms of nitrogen. Okay, that's it for 2.5.